All right, hi everybody. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how you can set up parallel agents on OpenAI Codex. And what I mean by parallel agents is you ask a bunch of agents to do a certain task in parallel so that you're not just depending on one agent or one context window. You have multiple agents with their own context windows doing their thing and reporting back to the main agent so that you get something done quickly. And the reason I made this video is I saw this tweet from Peter Steinberger, who is the creator of OpenClaw. OpenClaw is the most popular AI tool right now, probably in the world. And the creator of this tool is just a machine, right? He has like 1,200 commits every day. He does a lot of stuff, like lots of crazy kind of coding, and he does a lot of commits. He does a lot of commits. So 1,800 plus contributions on February 16th. Just crazy stuff. 2,000 contributions, right? The way he does this is by a mix of different approaches. Like he has multiple codecs or multiple Claude Code sessions going on, but he also uses parallel agents. And just like this tweet shows, been wrangling a lot of time on how to deal with onslaught of PRs. None of the solutions that are out there seems to be made for scale. So he just spun up 50 codecs in parallel, right? So I saw this tweet and I wanted to do it myself. And turns out the way you do it is you open Codex and then you go to experimental and then you make sure the multi-agents is checked, right? When I did this yesterday, this was not checked on mine. So you just make sure that multi-agents is checked. And now you can say spin up 10 agents to look at my downloads, actually, downloads folder and suggest cleanup, right? Maybe my downloads folder is really big. You know, I mean, my downloads folder is not that big right now, but if yours was, you could, instead of having one agent, run its thing, you can have multiple agents doing things in parallel. And let's see if we get some confirmation that, oh yeah, so planning parallel agents spawning. And Codex says I'm going to spin up 10 parallel agents, now auditing downloads um, from different angle, large files, installers. So yeah, as you can see, my, you know, agent, agentic army has spawned. Like I have 10 agents running in parallel and doing its thing. So yeah, I mean, this is just a quick demo I wanted to do. And just to recap, I'm pretty sure each of the agent gets its own context window, and that way, the main agent is not bombarded with all this noise and all these tokens, um, you know, causing you to compact the context window, right? So each of the agents get their own context window. So this is a really interesting feature. If you haven't turned it on, please do, and let me know what you're planning to do with it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you want to see me doing next. Thank you.